Chart Patterns Cheat Sheet brought to you by Option Traders Network. For information, strategies, and training videos, please visit www.optiontradersnetwork.com. There are 3 types of chart patterns: continuation, reversal, bilateral, can go either way. Like we promised, here's a neat little cheat sheet to help you remember all those chart patterns and what they signal. We've listed most of the chart patterns, when they are formed, what type of signal they give, and what the next price move will be. Check it out. Chart patterns double top forms during uptrends, reversal, down. Double bottom forms during downtrend, reversal, up. Head and shoulders forms during uptrend, reversal, down. Inverse head and shoulders forms during downtrend, reversal, up. Rising wedge forms during uptrend, reversal, down. Falling wedge during downtrend, reversal, up. Falling wedge forms during uptrend, continuation, down. Rising wedge forms during downtrend, continuation, down. Bearish rectangle forms during downtrend, continuation, down. Bullish rectangle forms during uptrend, continuation, up. Bearish pennant forms during downtrend, continuation, down. We would like to thank you for taking the time to watch the videos that we have put together for you today. Take a look and subscribe to our YouTube channel, our Instagram, our Facebook page, and reach out if you have additional questions. We would love to hear from you. Check out our website for more information. Go to www.optiontradersnetwork.com. Thanks so much.